Whereas we write the words of that booklet in our sweat, sign it with our muscles, dreams manifest.
A document that lives and breathes because of your dreams, because of your insistence that we must be free. I am a document of speech and belief and freedom from fear and want that has been proclaimed as the highest aspiration of the common people, that human rights should be protected by the rule of law. I am not only a document, I am the document. The document among infinite others who try to speak out about their rights. But I don't just speak it, I act because I believe I am the rights, I am the contract, and I am the document.
I have the right to respect others. I have the right to be creative.
I have the right to question everything.
I have the right to love being black.
I have the right to grow.
I have the right to party. I have the right to lift my voice.
I have the right to love and hate.
I have the right to be short. I have the right to be educated. I have the right to be independent. I have the right to smile.
I have the right to learn.
I have the right to give.
I have the right to live without fear.
I have the right to equality.